Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video, we'll show you what comes in the box with the digital handheld pocket urine refractometer, the IC-PAL-10s. The IC-PAL-10s accurately measures both temperature and the specific gravity of urine samples. To perform a measurement, all users need to do is calibrate the meter, place a few drops of the sample onto the prism and press the start key. A specific gravity measurement will appear within a matter of seconds. In the box there is some paperwork, including a user guide, a data transmission function guide, and the calibration report, and the refractometer. Features of the meter include the sample stage for taking measurements, the LCD screen with measurement results, prism temperature, and remaining battery charge are displayed. Below this are two buttons for easy operation. These are start and 0. On the back is the serial number, and lastly on the base is the battery compartment with a lanyard hole to the left. To get started, open the battery compartment using a small coin. Remove the battery saver tab, replace the cover, and press start to switch the unit on. For more information on this meter, including a video of an Instrument Choice scientist demonstrating how to take a specific gravity measurement, or for details on how you can contact us for more information on this meter, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!